Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the 25th challenge in 30 days of React JavaScript. So here you can see we have another problem statement, which is create a React application that allow user to upload a file and display its content on the screen. So basically we have to implement the logic for file uploading. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. Until now, I have created a total of 25 videos on 30 days of React JavaScript. So if you want to increase your knowledge or increase your logic building or try some new questions based on React JavaScript machine coding or front engineering or software development engineering, then this playlist is for you only. So let's get started for the today challenge. So navigate to your Chrome browser and you can write React-Dropzone. It is basically a package which helps you to upload files, and you can also read this documentation. We have different functionality and the props which we use. So basically it's type of custom hook they use for uploading in files. So you can also read the documentation for that. We have different methods also. So I've already installed the React-Dropzone npm package. So if I navigate to my package.json, you can see I have this React-Dropzone version 14.2.3, and you can simply copy this command. And if you're using npm, so you can use the npm install. And if you're using the yarn, so I'm using the yarn here, so you can easily install the yarn add React-Dropzone. So I've already installed it, and to show the installation, you can simply write this command yarn add. So you have to change the directory, so cd react hooks, and now you can simply paste this command React-Dropzone, and it will basically update my package, and you will see the package is updated. So coming back to the code, let's implement logic. So first of all, we will write react arrow functional component export, and I will format the document. Now basically I will make some custom HTML section dot landing section as we always do, and div dot row dot container, and inside I will write h1 dot landing heading, and inside I will write file upload and display, like this. And now I will call one component which I will make here, which is file upload. So let's create our component. So we will write const file upload arrow function of JavaScript, and we need some states also for managing the states. So we will write use state, and here we will make one state with the help of use state is snippet. We will write files, final will be set files, and it will be an array, a blank array. Now so basically if you navigate to this official documentation, we have something which is const on drop is equals to use callback, and it is accepting one callback function, and we have this root props which you can modify, and you can also read this method. So I will copy this const on drop and I will paste it here. And now I will write const new files is equals to accepted files dot map file, and inside I will write one file, and then I will write content, basically URL dot create object URL. Inside I will pass the file. Now I will check the type, so I will write file dot type dot starts with. Okay, so it will check the type of file, whether it is the PDF, whether it is a image. So I will write image slash, if it is a type of image, then then I will write image as it is, and if it is a type of file dot type equals to application slash PDF. If it is type of PDF, then let it be PDF only, and if not, then last option we have the text, something like this. Now after that we will update the file state set files. We will get the previous files and the new files, and now we will pass this file inside the array dependency. So after this line we will return our JSX. We will make one div. Inside we will write div get root props. We will write the style drop zone styles. So we have to define the styles. So I will define this style here, const drop zone styles. It will be object. It will contain some CSS like border to be 2 pixel solid, or instead of solid you will write dashed 0087 F7. Now we will write border radius which is 4 pixel. Now we will write padding 20 pixel, text align to be center, cursor to be pointer, and I want some margin from top, which is I want 20 pixel. So that is something. Now we will make one input. We will remove this type text and we will write get input props. We will call this props. Now we will make one paragraph. Inside paragraph we will write drag and drop files here, or click to select files. So that is something. After that we will map our files. If the files dot length is greater than 0, then only it will show the files, and we will make one div. Inside div we will show that files. We will write h2 dot para. Inside we will write files, and now we will map our files. Files dot map. Inside we will write file and index, and inside we will create one div. We will pass a key which is index, and we will give some styling also. Margin bottom to be 20 pixel. Now inside I will check if the file dot type is equals to image. If it is a type of image, then we will map the image. We will make one image tag, and inside the source we will write file dot content. we will write file $index. Okay, so by doing this, if I go to my server, which is localhost /challenge25, I think something is wrong. So let me see on the console what is printing. Use callback is not defined. Okay, so I have to import the use callback hook from React. After that it will work. So by saving this, use drop zone is not defined. Okay, so we have to import this use drop zone. Now it will work. Yeah. Okay, so the text is not visible inside the paragraph, so I have to give the class name para. Yeah, so now if I click here, I will choose one file basically, which is a type of image. So if I click on it, you will see something like this. So we have this image, but the thing is it is taking 100% width and height, so I have to adjust its height and width. So I will pass one style attribute. Inside I will write maximum width, it should take 100%, and height, which is maximum height, it should take is 100 pixel. Now it will work. Now you can see we have this file. If I click on it, and let's suppose if I want to upload this, then you will see we have the file which I uploaded. So currently the thing is, if I click on PDF, so let's suppose if I want to upload my resume, so if I click on it, you will see nothing is happening because it is currently not matching with the condition. We have implemented the condition only for the image one, so we have to implement same for the PDF also and same for the text also. So we will copy this, we will paste here, and we will write if the type of file is PDF, then I will remove this image tag, and instead of image tag I will write embed, and inside the source I will write file.content. Okay, and type will be application/pdf. I will give width to be 200 pixel, height will be 100 pixel. So same, I have to modify this to text for the last one, and instead of image I will use the pre tag. So this is up to you, you can use anything you want according to your needs. So I will write file.content, and I will pass one style attribute. Inside I will write white space to be pre-app. So that is something. Now you will see my resume is already been uploaded because I have clicked last time on my resume only. So now we want a delete button also, so that we can delete the uploaded files. So for that, after this we will make one button, and inside we will write delete. We will pass one class btn info. Okay, or you can just write, instead of info you can write danger, and I will pass one on click function, which is a callback. I will write handle delete. Inside I will pass the index which I am getting from the map function. So I will define this function. After this variable, like const handle delete equals to, it will accept one index. I will write const updated files. I will take all the previous files we have. Now I will write updated files dot splice. We can use a splice method. I will write from index to 1 to updated files. So now if I show you, okay, so that is something. We have to modify one CSS for the button. We can write mx2 Okay, and if I click on, let's suppose if I click on the third one, it will delete the third one. If I click on the second one, it will delete the second, and same for the first also. So you can also show the text, like if the array length is 0, then you can write no files uploaded till now. So yeah, so we have used the React-Dropzone library and we have implemented the functionality for the file uploading. So this is basically a general use case for the file uploading we have. You can also, as I told you, you can also explore the documentation for the React-Dropzone library, and you can also enhance this part of CSS. You can add some more functionality and you can try being more attractive. So as I always say, you can modify this part of code and you can add some more CSS, try to be more creative and try something new in this and implement some more functionality. Like you can have this website, have this official documentation, and you can read this documentation and you can just explore this part of code. And if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will meet in the next challenge. Till then, thank you for watching.